Hi, I'm Nick Funditis, and this is my buyer specialist, Karim Ali. Today we're in Vanier, in the heart of Ottawa, and this house behind me has a great story to tell. It's our new listing. Now, I first helped this family buy this home in 2013, and I remember back when we bought it, their oldest daughter was just a little baby, and we saw quite a few homes that spring before we found this was the right one that they could grow into. Now, fast forward a few years, with a larger family and new opportunities on the horizon, it's time to let someone else start their story here.
This home is bigger than it looks, has fantastic layout, and is an excellent central location. Let's start with the location. Vanier is one of Ottawa's most dynamic neighborhoods, and Desrosiers is ideally located in one of the best parts of it. Just steps from groceries, parks, and a short ride to the LRT, Beechwood Avenue, or Sandy Hill and downtown. With a 99 bike score, you may not even need a car here. The city is investing heavily in the area, with big changes coming to the Montreal Road corridor. You can see examples of newer homes popping up all throughout Vanier, and shops and restaurants as this neighborhood continues to evolve.
There are some excellent schools in the area, such as Trille-les-Bois, Manor Park, and Maurier-Bélanger. If you drive to work, the 417 is just down Vanier Parkway, and Highway 5 in Gatineau is at your doorstep as well. One thing that's not immediately apparent about this house is that it's much larger than it looks from the outside, something that's tricky to find in newer homes or the much older homes you can also find here. The other thing is that it has an attached garage, which means that you're never going to have to scrape your windshield in the winter. So let's go take a look at the inside. Now, one of the first things that you're going to notice when you come in is the nice big windows. This is a bright space, and the high ceilings, the big windows, and the skylights really help make it feel that way. It has a fantastic layout on the main floor, and you can see that the living room here is actually large enough for a grand piano there. Now, although the house is long, it's actually quite wide, which means that none of the rooms in here feel like they're squished together. So you have large front hall closets, you have a fantastic kitchen space. It's a modern space that's open to the eating area and has patio doors to the outside deck, and also has a powder room on here as well. Upstairs, you can see the benefit of all that space with 3 large, well-proportioned bedrooms on the upper floor. The full ensuite bath is accessible from both the hall and the principal bedroom. Downstairs, the 4th bedroom is large and makes sense as a den or kids area. There are big windows here, so it doesn't feel like a basement. And a 3-piece bath gives options when somebody else is hogging the shower upstairs.
This family loves being outside, whether that's skiing on groomed trails nearby or cycling all over Ottawa as a family. When they're home, this is where they spend most of their time. This backyard oasis is fully fenced, has a beautiful deck and a nice patio to use, with tree cover so that you get sun and shade as well as privacy.
This awesome home is more than it appears from the street. It is the perfect mix of size, fantastic layout, and excellent central location in one of Ottawa's most dynamic neighborhoods. Is this going to be your next home? Book a showing and find out if it's the right fit for you. If you like this video and you want to find out more about this home, about the neighborhood, or what other homes are available, follow us on social or go to nickfunditis.ca.
This home is bigger than it looks, has fantastic layout, it is in a central...
And here comes the pickup truck.
This home is bigger than it looks, is in... Nope.
No, now you sound like you just hate saying it.
I know. What is it, bigger than it looks?
Bright windows. No, windows are not bright.
Sorry. This family loves being outside. When they're home, this is where they spend most of their time. There's a nice deck there. Sorry, one sec. This area outside. Is that the word?
This awesome home,